This is a Wyldlynx quick tip video using Microsoft Teams. In this video, I'm going to quickly demonstrate how to edit your post or comment. If you have made an error or would like to add more context to your post, simply click the ellipsis, then select Edit. Edit your post or comment as desired, then click the tick on the bottom right of the comment box to save your changes. The process is exactly the same to edit a comment you have left on a post. Click the ellipsis, select Edit, then hit the tick once you are happy with the changes. As you can see, both the post and the comment have been edited. Check out our Microsoft Teams playlist on YouTube to find out more great tips using Microsoft Teams. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you found this video helpful in any way. Also, check out our events page on our website to find out more about our live and free Microsoft Teams training sessions.